Hi everyone. In the field of AI creation, hardware has always been the greatest limitation and barrier. RunComfy provides cloud GPUs and ready-to-use environments. You don't need to install anything, nor do you need a high-end computer. You can directly access cloud workflows from the platform, saving you from the complicated setup of local deployment. In today's tutorial video, you'll learn how to connect AI render with RunComfy. With just a single URL, you can overcome the hardware limitations of AI creation. On the Reallusion forum, you can find more information about using the cloud server platform. And now, as a Reallusion user, by joining RunComfy as a member and participating in the Discord community, you can gain access to exclusive promotions provided by RunComfy for Reallusion users. Availability is limited, so please check the Reallusion forum for details. Let's get started with today's tutorial. In the RunComfy Cloud Workflow panel, we can find the Reallusion AI Render workflow. You can also access it through the link in the video description below. After entering the page, you'll find a detailed introduction to Reallusion AI Render. Click Run Workflow to open the Cloud Server Selection panel. You can choose the hardware setup that best fits your creative needs. In this tutorial, we'll be demonstrating image-to-image generation, so I'll select the large server option. Then, set the rental duration according to your project requirements. Click Launch Now to begin the cloud deployment. The waiting time is about 3 to 5 minutes, and during this deployment process, rental fees will not be charged. Once the deployment is complete, the Comfy UI interface will open, and the usage fees will begin to be calculated. At this point, go to the URL bar at the top of the web page, click the URL, and copy the last part as the server ID. Open your iClone or Character Creator project and click the AI Render Settings button. Select LAN Server, paste the server ID you copied and add HTTPS before it and -comfy.runcomfy.com. At this point, you've successfully connected AI Render to the cloud-based Comfy UI you just launched with RunComfy. From here on, whether it's image-to-image or video-to-video, you can begin creating even more high-quality AI render works. After the generation is complete, you can right-click the result in History and select Browse to view the generation details and outputs. In the Queue section on the left panel of the cloud-based Comfy UI, you can also find the results generated during this server session. When working on your generation projects, it's important to always keep an eye on the server rental time. RunComfy will display a reminder window when there are 10 minutes left. If you are still generating at that moment, please extend the rental time to avoid the server shutting down mid-process and causing a disconnection. Once you've finished your work, you can simply press the stop button to end the server operation. Finally, I plan to use the computing power of RunComfy's cloud servers to try video generation. Since video generation usually requires higher VRAM capacity, it is recommended to choose a graphics card with 48 GB VRAM or more on the cloud server. This will ensure better generation quality and efficiency. In RunComfy, you can find all of Reallusion's workflow JSON files under the Workflow button on the left panel. You can export any workflow as an API JSON file, and then use it in iClone or Character Creator to build your own AI render tool. For the detailed process, please refer to the separate tutorial video on custom workflows. In this way, with RunComfy's cloud servers, you'll be able to create more high-quality AI render projects without limitations, while greatly boosting your creative efficiency. See you next time.